My name called Nambairedenise, aka Plumber. Today I'm showing you how a bathroom looks like and how a water heater, small water heater, electric, how it look like. That is a shower mixer, very simple as you are seeing. And this is the water heater I'm talking about. This water is a very small, it's called Harrison type. It's very good indeed. When you use this type of ice, so it can take time, it's long last. So this is a shower mixer. As you are seeing, it is called premix, a very good type here in Uganda. So oh my God, I think you can look for me, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and you contact me so that we can work as well.